Hello, everyone from 8105. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to my 3-minute talk on my argument for my final paper. I look forward to your comments and your feedback. To give you some context on my topic, literature describes that even though phenomenology started being used in the 1980s in nursing, it's not a widely used research approach in health professions education in general because of its philosophical and methodological complexities that prevent researchers from engaging in it appropriately or at all. My argument is that although there are practical limitations to using phenomenology in research, the benefits of its use in health professions education outweigh these limitations. This pyramid, which I have created, depicts my arguments within this paper. It shows that the complexities associated with phenomenology can be broken down into parts. And the first part is to align the purpose of the research with an appropriate stream of phenomenology, so either descriptive or interpretive. These have very different philosophies, and once you're able to do that, you can invest time and energy into understanding the philosophy associated with the stream. So researchers can actually engage better with the methods associated with their stream, and so that they can understand terms such as reduction, imaginative variation, and how to use these in their stream. So overall with this pyramid, I aim to convert some of the methodological and philosophical complexities into practical parts that can guide researchers in how to approach phenomenological work with more confidence. Because as many authors in the literature state, it's not until you do phenomenology and practice it that you can really engage in it and understand the philosophy better. So I argue that it's worth the time and effort because a lot of the issues that surround phenomenology's complexities are practical ones that can be overcome. So I argue it's worth it, the time and effort, because phenomenology brings new insights and ideas into often unstudied realms of healthcare. As Hooker and colleagues have described, phenomenology brings research beyond what a phenomenon is, but how it is experienced. And phenomenology allows you to identify essential elements of a phenomenon so then we can act on them in creating change in best practices, curricula, and in practice standards. It also allows for a holistic approach to care to occur. And given that patient-centered care is at the heart of healthcare today, researchers such as Gayo have described how phenomenology can move us away from these ready-made models of care and really gives patients a voice in their own care and informing change. So in conclusion, I have outlined that the limitations of using phenomenology in research are practical ones that are worth overcoming for the advancement of health professions education. Thank you for listening.